This pot was about to be thrown away, burnt, rusted, covered in thick black charcoal from years of abuse. The original owner thought it was beyond saving. But here's the thing about cast iron. It almost never dies. Today, I'm bringing this forgotten pot back to life. Look at this. Layers of burnt food fused into the surface. Rust creeping across the metal. Most people would say, just buy a new one. But we don't give up on cast iron that easily. First step, fire. No water, no soap, just pure heat. The goal here is simple. Burn and loosen the stubborn residue. The heat helps break down the carbonized food stuck to the surface. While it's hot, I start scraping, carefully, slowly. Let the heat do most of the work. Hear that? That sizzle tells you the pot is blazing hot, and that's exactly what we want. Now comes the careful part, steel wool. But here's the rule. Gentle. Very, very gentle. Steel wool can scratch or damage enamel if the pot is coating. We are not attacking the surface. We are lifting the rust and residue. Light pressure, circular motion, take your time. There's no rush. And now, rinse. Time for a natural abrasive, baking soda. I keep it dry. No paste. The powder helps lift remaining stains without being too aggressive. Scrub all surfaces carefully, inside, outside, the bottom, and don't forget the lid. Take your time here. Restoration is patience. Rinse it off. And just like that, the pot is stripped clean. No more burnt layers. No more rust flakes. But we are not done yet. Cleaning removes everything, including protection. So now we rebuild it. Seasoning. First, heat the pot until it's smoking hot. Heat opens the pores of the metal. Then I coat every surface with pork fat. Inside, outside, even the handle. Pork lard creates a natural protective layer that prevents rust. Let it smoke. Let it bond to the surface. I repeat the process twice. Heat, coat, then wipe off the excess with a kitchen towel. What's left is a smooth, dark, protective layer. From rusted, burnt, abandoned to smooth, dark, beautiful. The surface now has a deep matte black finish. No flakes, no orange rust, just a rich seasoned glow. It doesn't just look clean, it looks alive again. And the best part? This pot can now last another lifetime. If you enjoyed this restoration, hit like, subscribe for more satisfying transformations, and comment below. What should I restore next?